Class 10th students in chemistry class. We have already started lesson 2 and the topic was ionic bond. One ionic compound I have told you, the formation of one compound I have told you, that was sodium chloride. Now today I will tell you two more examples of ionic compounds, magnesium oxide MgO and magnesium chloride MgCl2. So let's start. Magnesium oxide MgO. First of all, you have to see the number of atoms in the formula. One atom of magnesium and one atom of oxygen. Now electron dot diagram. For the formation of magnesium oxide, that is ionic compound, first topic is electron dot diagram. Magnesium, 2 valence electrons, 2A2 configuration. So this is the Lewis structure of magnesium. Now the Lewis structure of oxygen, 2, 4, 5 and 6. 6 valence electron, its configuration is 2, 6. Magnesium loses 2 electrons and oxygen gains 2 electrons. After the transfer of electron, Mg2 plus is formed and O2 minus oxide ion is formed. Now the configuration of Mg2 plus 2A and oxide O2 minus configuration is also 2A. And between these two ions, this electrostatic force of attraction is called ionic bond. So this is formation of magnesium oxide. Now see the ionic reaction. Second topic is ionic reaction for the formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium loses 2 electrons to form Mg2 plus. Loss of electron is called oxidation. Now oxygen gains 2 electron to form O2 minus ion and gain of electron is called reduction. Mg plus 2E. Mg plus O gives out MgO, and formation of MgO is the redox reaction. Now second example is magnesium chloride. So first of all, see how many atoms are there. 1 atom of magnesium, 2 atoms of chlorine. So keep the magnesium in between and both the side it will be surrounded by chlorine. Configuration of chlorine 287. This one will also have configuration 287. Now magnesium configuration 2A2. Magnesium loses 2 electrons and 1 electron is gained by this chlorine. So now see, Mg2 plus ion is formed and Cl minus ion is formed, chloride. Because each chlorine will get 1 electron, so 1 minus 1 minus. So Mg2 plus cation and Cl minus chloride ion is formed. So now see, what will be the structure? Mg2 plus, and because 2 chloride ions are there, so 2Cl minus, which can be also written as NgCl2. So this is the formation of magnesium chloride. Now in this chapter, second type of bond is covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed between two non-metals by sharing of electrons. So see, what are the keywords here? Two non-metals and sharing, which already I have underlined. Now what is the example of covalent bond, or we can say covalent molecule and covalent compounds? So see, hydrogen H2, Cl2, O2, N2. These are the covalent molecules. Now covalent molecule as well as covalent compounds are HCl, hydrogen chloride, NH3, ammonia, water, H2O. Now first of all, we will see the formation of H2, hydrogen molecule. So see, you know hydrogen is having 1 electron in the outermost shell. So both the hydrogen will keep their electron in between, one electron in between, and it will be shared between both. So this shared electron will have both the hydrogen atom similar hold, and in this way one pair of electron is shared between hydrogen. In this way each hydrogen will complete its duplet. Now see, as single bond H, single covalent bond is formed. This is covalent bond and it was the ionic bond. Now see, this is the orbital diagram. This was the electron diagram, and these are orbital diagram. So you have to make two orbits, outermost orbit, and 2 electrons are kept in between for sharing. So 1 electron pair, again one single covalent bond is formed. Now second example is Cl2. Configuration is 2A7. So C 2, 4, 6 plus 1, 7. This chlorine 2, 4, 6 plus 1, 7. Here chlorine will again keep 1 electron for sharing, and in this way their output will be complete. 2, 4, 6 to 8. 2, 4, 6 to 8. So each chlorine will complete its octet by sharing one pair of electrons. So Cl single bond Cl. Now the third one covalent molecule is oxygen O2. Configuration 2, 6. 2, 6 means each oxygen will need 2 electrons for completing its octet. So now each oxygen will take out their 2 electrons for sharing. After sharing 2, 4, 6 to 8 and 2, 4, 6 plus 2, 8. So each oxygen will complete its octet by sharing 2 pair of electrons. Now because 2 pair of electrons are shared, so double bond is formed between 2 oxygen atoms. O double bond O. Now for today, last molecule is N2, nitrogen molecule, and it is an example of triple bond molecule. So nitrogen, its configuration is 2, 5, 2, 5. It means each nitrogen atom needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. So each nitrogen will take out their 3 electrons for sharing. So now 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. For this nitrogen, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So in this way, both nitrogen will complete their octet by sharing 3 electrons. And because 3 pair are shared, 3 pair of electrons are shared, triple bond is formed. Now see, this one is the orbital diagram. In this orbital diagram, you have to show the sharing of electrons in the overlapping, inside the overlapping. And these 2 electrons are remained, which are called unbonded electron or non-bonded electron. So N triple bond N. Now that's all for today.